Prynawn da, good afternoon. It's Jo from Talk and Play. I hope you've had a lovely Christmas. Today I'm going to read a story called The Night After Christmas. Would you like to join in? Yes? Okay. 'Twas the night after Christmas, that's late Boxing Day, and Santa was putting his toy sack away. The sleigh had been covered, mileage recorded, presents delivered and reindeer rewarded. With magic sack now under lock and key, Santa sat down for his welcome home tea. Gosh, look at that. A toast, declared Santa, raising his glass, to Christmas's future and Christmas's past. That's nice. Elves dressed in festive onesies and jumpers were gathered outside in rather large numbers. Another year over, a Christmas job done well. Excitement was growing. It was time for some fun. It was time for the moment the elves loved the most, the Boxing Night party. But where was their host? Shall we see? Yes. Santa, they shouted, owl time is near. On Snowy, on Ghost, on Blizzard, on Snowball, on Milkshake, on Whitey, on Misty and Noble. Who's that? Shall we see? Yes. Oh, wow. Swifter than peregrines, 8 giant owls propelled by the sound of Santa's hoo-hoo. They came with a cracker the size of a bus. It was huge, it was vast, it was XXL plus. Jam-packed with goodies, bulgingly full, it was crammed, it was rammed, it was ready to pull. Oh, I wonder who's going to do it. Shall we see? Yes? Christmas, said Santa, it's time to believe. Get ready, get steady, make a wish, now heave. The elves dug their heels in, wrestled and quivered. The cracker exploded and duly delivered. Whistles and flutes rained down from the sky, jelly beans and lollipops and the occasional mince pie. Oh. Cracker smoke spiraled, magic dust plumed, glitter cascaded and ziggy-zig zoomed. Oh, wow. The elves all tumbled backwards in 6s and 7s. Mrs. Claus pulled a lever and switched on the heavens. Wow, look at the sky. Pinks turned to purple, greens turned to red. A Boxing Night light show blazed overhead. Oh, it was so pretty, isn't it? Twinkle by twinkle, stars moved to new stations, lacing the sky with Yule constellations. The snowflake, can you see a snowflake? There, yes. The sugar cane, the church bell and the trumpet. The snowman, can you see him? Yes. The angel and a hot buttered crumpet. Oh, nice. Santa hurrahed and pulled up his boots as the party erupted with Rudy Toot Toots. Toot toot toot. There were dance-offs to enter and prizes to win. Even the reindeer came and joined in. Wow, that's some party. Dasher and Dancer did the fandango. Donna and Blitzen tangled the tango. Comet and Cupid, they were tops at the twist. Prancer moonwalked and it was not to be missed. Everyone partied and busted their moves. Apart from poor Vixen, she had 4 left hooves. Oh, she can't dance. Oh dear. The Boxing Night party went right through the night, on until dawn and through to first light. As the stars took a bow and the northern lights faded, Santa yawned loudly. Oh! He felt rather jaded. With a clap of his hands and a blast of a whistle, the party dispersed like the down of a thistle. Oh, they'd all gone home. Elves in pyjamas took to their beds. Reindeer lay down and rested their heads. With a mistletoe kiss and a whispered sleep tight, a jolly old couple retired for the night. In the blink of an eye, they had started to snore. Sleeps till Christmas? How many do you think? Well, there are just 364. Oh, I hope you enjoyed that story, and I hope you have a lovely new year. Bye for now. Hwyl fawr.